Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Are you trying to see every single email in your Outlook inbox? Sometimes messages seem to disappear, but they are often just hidden by your viewing preferences. Here's a straightforward way to reveal them all. First, open your Outlook application. Navigate directly to your inbox, usually found on the left side of your screen. Once in the inbox folder, look towards the top of your email list. You should see a section labeled a filter or filtered by. This area might display all, unread, or another category. Click on this filter option. A small menu will appear with choices. To view every email, select all from this list. This setting overrides any filters that might be hiding read messages, emails with attachments, or other specific types. If, after selecting all, you still don't see certain emails, also check your View settings. Find the View a tab in the main Outlook ribbon. Within the current View a group, ensure no custom filter is active. You might even try clicking Reset View for the folder. Additionally, remember some emails are automatically moved by rules. Always check your iJunk email folder or any archive of folders you have. The search bar at the top of Outlook is also effective for locating specific emails if you recall details like the sender or subject. By adjusting your primary filter to all and reviewing your View settings, you should easily display every email currently in your Outlook inbox.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.